What's up, party people? Let's get down. Today we're going to be opening some Shining Legends Elite Trainer box. Quite excited for this because, you know, I started late in this collecting game.
That's what she said.
Okay. Oh yeah, and I'm joined by my friends, Zach,
Dragonite.
Tommy, and Hang Tai. Hang tight.
Yeah. Hey, must put their faces.
Wow. It's such a joy to open these things. And it's my second Elite Trainer box. So here we go. Oh, nice. Oh, wow. I think you all probably like seen everything already. So we're just gonna go straight. I don't have a standing pack.
Oh. The standing pack was GX.
Oh, look at this. This is premium. The box has like a flap to protect it from further damage.
Why is it standing though?
I have no idea. Maybe because it's like, I don't know. So we got the counters, the sleeves, and we got the energy, and the. Later, dude, I wanna eat also. Hey, later. Then after that, you got the Shining Hole holographic. I'm gonna keep this in my collection.
In your Shining Hole.
And this is mine. So you're not gonna have it at all.
I'm not John, I believe
And
in
you
you.
got 10 packs. Oh my god. 10 packs. Oh, and the dice. Okay, let's get into this pack. Whoa! Woo! Okay.
You can do it.
Let's do the nonsense. Okay, we're gonna start with this one. Ooh.
It's very tight.
Oh, and thank you for Wisham for giving me a camera so that lending me your camera. All right, you did. Wow, this is really hard to open.
My name is Tommy.
Oh, sorry. Thank you, Tommy. Okay, let's just go fast.
Oh!
Really? Was there something?
Yeah.
Huh?
I think so. I saw like a black. Oh, it's that.
Fuck you, Wisham. Okay.
There's something.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Just open up. Why you did
Yeah,
this? Why you do that to yourself? Jack, can see. Don't act.
Water energy retrieval, Incineroar, Feraligatr, Larvesta, Minun, Breloom, Torracat, Ekans, Torkoal. Fuck you, Weisheng. We got a holographic Raikou. Oh, look at that.
Overhype you.
I didn't get it.
Booming
That's why I
Thunder,
did for the
Electro
Bible
Ball. Okay, we're going to the next one.
Go to the next domino. Can see me.
Honestly, it's a joy to open these packs.
You doing small talk, right?
You guys shut the fuck up! Alright, on to the next pack.
Subscribe to PokeJohn, the best channel.
Oh.
After a tap.
Alright.
He just choked on his own jokes.
What was that?
He was choking on his own jokes. Come on, I believe.
You don't need to believe, Weisheng.
believe there's a hollow every pack.
Spiritomb, Venusaur,
Oh, nice.
Ultra Ball. Ooh,
Nice.
neat,
I
nice.
like Ultra Balls.
Oh, yes. Alright. Purloin, Litten, Totodile, Great Ball, and a Oh, nice.
Shit!
Latios
Nice, eh.
holographic.
It's a
Oh,
Spanish Pokemon.
with Latias at the back. He's like, hey, wait up for me. And he's like, no. Alright. Here at the back. If your small mind cannot comprehend, you shouldn't comment. Oh,
Hey Joe, I just realized I used the two sleeve how you want me to take out?
no, I can use this. It's okay lah.
No,
I just want the box.
On the outside
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. We got.
That's the code card.
Stop it, Rachel. Just stop it.
Code card looks like GX! You haven't taken the 4 cards!
Oh my god, shut up.
Hey, you're becoming noodle.
Yeah.
Alright, Psychic Energy, Ultra Ball, Pokemon Breeder, Lily, Plusle, Torracat, Scraggy, Croconaw, Voltorb, Scrafty, and this is Shite.
It's a sex offender. Okay, now we have a
Right.
break because John needs to reply.
Yeah, give me a while.
Entertainment now. So, see? This is Mewtwo, Shiny Legends. This is Mew, Shiny Legends. And this is Rayquaza. Okay, he's back.
Alright.
Shiny Rayquaza.
So,
Don't get shiny Rayquaza, guys.
this is Genesect?
If I don't get it, don't.
Okay, I won't get shiny Rayquaza.
You get it, I'll cry. Actually, I want shiny Rayquaza more than the Mewtwo,
Really?
The Mewtwo can sell a lot, you know.
Really?
Yeah, not my one, in the level 3 one.
Of course.
Sure.
Yeah, that's the most rare.
Isn't it the only full art?
That is like the rarest card.
Oh, really? That's cool.
Okay. Okay. Good. Nice.
What?
Yo!
Hey! Alright.
What energy is that?
Float Soul, Metal Energy. Electrode, Warp Energy, Stun Fisk, Plusle, minus, times, divide. Hoopa! What? What? Hi.
They put it together.
Alright.
Holo! And reverse holo
I bet
together.
whoever packed these packs, oh,
He's a Japanese.
he's like, oh, you know this guy, he's gonna shit his pants.
No, you know whoever packed this pack are Asians like us.
Why?
Let's see where is it made in. Oh, it's made in United Kingdom, man.
Oh, so they're English.
Oh shit, English people pack this, guys.
They're like, hey, this guy's gonna shit his pants. Alright, we got Darkness Energy, Scrafty, Great Ball, Pokemon Catcher, Scraggy, Weasel, Golett, Voltorb, Purloin, Reshiram, Reverse, and... Wow. Hey, help me get my bag. My bag. Give me. I'm sorry, man.
Wow, damn nice eh.
Cause I never get any shiny card. So actually my pack was lousy.
Wow, look at this. Oh shit.
It's nice eh.
Wow, it has.
John, just use the
Dragon
sleeve
Power.
No, I want to double sleeve it.
Got top loader.
No, I got
You
sleeve.
got a box later, don't need double sleeve.
I got sleeve. Hey!
Wow, nice, I can see it.
Sure, but can you be careful? Because it's damaged at the bottom already. Wait, Sean, what the fuck?
Damage at
Wow, fucking nice
Alright, welcome to the collection, Shining Rayquaza. Wow, oh fucking up here.
Okay, we're gonna end an episode here.
Wow, dude, wow, shit. I will show you Wei Sheng's face, but I mean Tommy's face, but
Where's shiny Rayquaza? Hey, where they show all the shiny Pokemon? Oh, is it here?
没有在前面的。不是不是，在你这。
hey guys, English.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Good cut this out.
Oh yeah, true. Alright, we're going next one.
Show the shiny. Don't show the shiny Pokemon.
Oh, so it's a secret, right? No,
Nah.
it's not secret, right?
It's not secret rare.
There's very little shiny Pokemon. There's only Rayquaza, Mew. If you get Mew, I just fuck. I'm not.
Ball, Corona, Zorua,
Fucking hell!
Goldfish,
Is that I miss a hand
Minion.
Fuck. I just.
Weasel, and a Marshadow. Whoa!
Wow.
Marshadow, let loose.
Oh, my boss. Wow, the can I see it now? Is it frame rate?
Yeah.
Frame rate. Frame. Wow.
There's texture on it.
Fucking nice eh.
I know, but I just it's not gonna be.
It's not what you want, right? Actually.
No, it's not gonna be a PSA 10.
Don't need lah. What you want a PSA this?
Just look at it.
It's not super rare.
But
Like,
look,
everyone got it.
but it's a black Rayquaza.
I'm gonna buy one box.
Of Shining Legends.
I thought you got one more box.
Yeah.
I tell you all, $50 I give you.
No, but Shiny Legend open very short.
Yeah, it's quite a joy.
Lot, then you got, and it's same price, so you can go try.
Go lurk in the shadows.
Oh my god, John. I think
How? Ni hao!
I think you get Shiny Mew again.
Feraligatr,
Fuck.
Jinx, Pikachu, Torkoal. Oh, this card is thick. Totodile, Weasel, and I'm gonna give you some blue balls because I saw something at the back.
Really?
Yeah,
You saw?
I saw a GX.
What's up, Daddy Shadow?
Maybe that's why I got a
Can I see
dislike.
it? Can I see it?
No, don't fuck
Can I
off.
feel it?
No, don't, no. Because when you feel it,
You
you
get the Mewtwo ah.
If you-
I'm gonna quit this, I tell you.
If
This
you-
will be my back.
if you feel it right,
If you really get a Mewtwo ah,
Fire.
I'm gonna like fucking fuck me my anus out.
Wow! Come out,
The
Liao.
guy is damn good, the guys. The
Litten.
guy who sell.
Zora, Ivysaur,
man.
Torkoal. So, Sophocles! Oh, Shaymin! Oh, look! Flippity Flap! Naughty little Shaymin. Shining Mew.
Must double check it's recording.
Yeah, it is.
Is that you got check it? Huh? You got check?
You can see this now.
Oh yeah, we got.
You can see the red dot. I mean, you got record right?
I hope so.
Alright.
But do you off it?
Fighting Energy. Double colorless energy, Lepard, Electrode, Litten, Totodile, Stunfisk, say one, Ivysaur, Bulbasaur. Oh, color! Reverse darkness energy.
Metal.
Shiny Mew ah. Let's see. Faster see. Shiny, you get Shiny Mew? Faster see lah.
I saw it!
Wow, fuck.
Why? Why?
I stopped buying already.
Okay.
No, you still have yours. No, because this is mine. That's how picture it is.
Oh my god. Dude.
That one, the GS was the level 3 outfit, I confirm crit. It's too unlucky.
You got Sleevy or?
It's the god.
I see
The
it.
god telling me to stop already.
Shit.
If that one was new level 3, I crit.
Okay.
It will be like my last Pokemon.
This look like a butt or a boob.
Hey, don't touch it. So hard.
I never touch.
So hard.
Wait, oh you open for last on the GX?
Yeah. Super up. Some fucking achiever!
You know Mew ah?
Yeah, no way! No, fucker! Oh, Reshiram.
Wow, restaurant eh.
Oh! That means Weisho's gonna buy shit! You want the Entei? I give you Entei. Okay, alright guys.
If I open this box, I'll be fucking happy.
If you like what you see, if you don't like it, like and subscribe! Bye!